What's up, you guys? I got a bad ignition coil on my car. I'm going to change it out, and with the help of my son Nathan here, and show you it's a real super easy job. So it's going to be real fast. All right, Nathan, want to look over here? Now, I already got the cover off. There's a cover that goes right there over around where the oil filler is at. And ignition coils are right here. This is my Nissan Sentra. This is number 1. Number 2. Trying to look both through the camera and that. Okay, number 3 is right underneath the oil filler, and number 4 is right there. Okay, in this case, number 1 was bad, but I moved it to number 2 to help troubleshoot. Once I figured out that number 1 was definitely a bad cylinder, or I was misfiring, I swapped the number 1 and 2 coils, which are these two right there. And when I did that, the problem moved to the number 2 cylinder. So I know for sure this coil is bad. So we're going to change that out and then double check it. Okay, so we're going to start. We need a number 10 socket here. Number 10 a 10 millimeter. Actually, let me get that out of my hands because we need to unplug the sensor. We need to unplug the coil first. All right, there we go. We're unplugged. Now, it's just one bolt. That's it. All right, that's not supposed to come out. All right, this socket sometimes doesn't like to cooperate.
I'm guessing it could be a real pain in the neck.
Or in the ass. Just kidding. Something wrong with you if you're putting it in your ass. I'm just saying.
I'm just trying to watch my language. If we're trying to put something on YouTube.
That is... No, I don't know. People know... They don't know I got a potty mouth. You can't be watching my channel if you have virgin ears and you don't like to hear some 4-letter words, so. Just saying. Okay. We'll get this bolt out. And then we'll just pull the coil. Okay, gotta rotate it a little bit. Just pop it right up and out. That's it. All right, now we get our replacement coil here. Nathan?
Mm-hmm.
Got it?
Yep.
Alrighty. Okay, so we'll just drop this one in place. Okay, I want to shine the light over. There we go, perfect. You can see the cylinder, the spark plug's down inside there. The coil sent the signal through that little plunger there down to the spark plug, and that's what provides the spark to ignite the fuel that's in the cylinder. So just drop that in, and I can feel it. I can feel it sucking in on the spark plug. Put that back in. Now we will.
Oh, sorry.
It's all right. Hand tighten this until. I can't hand tighten anymore. That's what hand tighten means.
Yeah.
Bet you didn't know that.
Yeah. I learn something new every day.
Okay, so now it's extreme finger tight. Put this back to the tighten side. Make it German torque, Guten tight, as we call it. Don't want to over torque. All right. Then we plug back in. All right. So now we start the car back up and see if our problem went away. All right. Nathan, you want to do that?
I'll give it a shot.
Okay. My car is a stick shift, so I got to teach them how to start it without causing the car to go. Okay. So start by putting the shifter in neutral.
This one?
Nope, that's the parking brake. You don't. You're gonna leave the parking brake alone. Yeah, that's the shifter. It's in first right now. Put it in neutral.
Yeah.
So put it, basically pull it down and let it spring load into the neutral, into the center. Go ahead. All right, now you're neutral. Okay, now your clutch pedal. All right, so your, all right, the third, the left pedal over there. Yeah, push it all the way in. Go ahead and slide the seat forward if you need to. I'm a little bit on the tall side there, so I got to have the seat all the way back when I sit in this car. So he can't reach the pedals, or he can reach the pedal, he just can't push it all the way in with it in my position. So, because he's a little bit shorter than me. All right, so now you got your foot all the way down. Go ahead and start the engine. Oh, yeah, I guess the keys kind of help, don't they? Yeah, that's on me. Okay, let go of the ignition. Let go, let go, let go, let go. Only turn it just long enough for it to ignite, and that's it, okay?
Okay.
Oh, that sounds so much better. That sounds way better. All right, come on out. Go ahead, you're good. All right, now we got to do another step here. Verify that this actually fixed the problem. Real easy fix here. All right, shine the light over here. Okay, it already sounds better. It doesn't sound like it's running rough. So all we're gonna do is unplug this cylinder. See how it sounds different? All right. Winner, winner, chicken dinner. Easy, easy peasy, lemon squeezy, something like that. All right. You guys all enjoy. This is Stupid Easy Fixes, courtesy of Scott and Nathan. All right, you have fun there, Nathan? Awesome. All right, we're going to test drive this when I go pick up my buddy Daniel Root, who is a fellow JCT driver, is coming up here. Gonna treat him to some of my wife's food. Some black licorice. No, I'm just kidding.
Yeah. It's actually pasta with squid ink.
Yeah, it's black in color. It tastes just like regular pasta. It's really good. You guys ought to try it. It's just different color. That's it. Anyway, you all have a great night, and we'll see you on the next one.